Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering exact transaction details. This saves time. Locate the Superchat receipt or the transaction ID in your purchase email and note the amount and date. Next, check the platform's refund window and policy so you know eligibility. Once done, sign into the same account used to buy the Superchat and open the payment history screen. Make sure to take screenshots of the chat and receipt. These support your claim when you submit a request. You now assemble and submit the formal request. Open the platform refund form or start a support chat and clearly state your reason: accidental purchase, charge dispute, or policy violation. Upload the receipt, transaction ID, and screenshots of the Superchat and chat context. These prove timing and intent. Once submitted, note the case number and expected response time. If a phone or live chat option exists, use it to speed things up. Keep calm and provide concise facts when asked. You complete the process by monitoring the support portal and your email for the decision. If approved, confirm the refund method, credit card, platform balance, or original payment, and check your statement within the stated timeframe. Once done, verify the refunded amount and save confirmation. If nothing arrives by the deadline, escalate using the case number and politely request supervisor review. Troubleshooting tip: if a bank delay occurs, contact your card issuer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.